Hello folks, today we are in Yardie's kitchen and we are making a Jamaican favorite. Come join us now as we prepare a very special dish. We're making corned beef and white rice, guys, and of course I went ahead and pulled my corned beef out of the tin. This is how it looks. It is all congealed mystery meat with fat and everything. I have here some tomatoes and bell peppers. I have scallion and a little bit of thyme. I have some purple onion or red onion. I have garlic and I have some scotch bonnet pepper. Everything is cut up and ready to go. Here I have my coconut oil, guys, and I am adding just about 4 tablespoons of coconut oil to my pot. And as soon as it gets up to temperature, I start adding in my ingredients. So now it's up to temperature and I want to add my garlic first and foremost. And just toss that a little bit in the oil. And before it even starts to get color, you want to add your onions. All right, and you want these to start to go translucent and your garlic to start to release some flavors and some oils. Then of course you want to get in your thyme, and I just push it back way like so, and all my thyme is released. And coconut oil is great to use this to do this recipe, because the coconut oil will allow for the beef to be flavored nicely. All right, so once you get to that point, then you want to add in your tomatoes and your peppers. All right, now you can turn the stove up and make this cook. Nice. Now I have some ketchup, about 2 or 3 tablespoons of ketchup. And I have some scotch bonnet pepper. Yes, there's a whole lot of pepper. You want the real corned beef like Jamaica. You don't want no dibby corned beef.
The real.
And then I have this corned beef here that I broken into pieces. And guys, I don't really mash it all the way out. I just try to chunk it, you know, chop it up in because as you go along, it's gonna get even more so macerated. So if you want your corned beef to be like wetty and flat and soupy,
Mushy.
Mushy. Yeah, that's the way.
Now, what are some of the things that you could add to corned beef?
You could add butter beans, you could add sweet corn, you could add, you know, zucchini, if you want to go like nowadays people, you know, American style.
What about green peas?
Green peas. Or you can just do it like how me I do it now and just add a couple little stuff in it
Yeah.
to build a little vibe. Turn your stove down.
This is the authentic way.
Yeah. Chip a little bit of water, just a little water. And of course, a little apple cider vinegar. Again, that's just me. Some black pepper. And you notice me not really stir. And a nice little dollop of butter.
Okay.
That is it.
Butter makes it better.
Leave it right there so and make it do it thing.
So that is it, you guys. The food has been plated. Yes, yes, yes. This one is for the hubby, so we kind of fancy it up a little bit. The corned beef is looking nice and well seasoned and has a nice glisten. We have some rice, of course. You already know that rice and corned beef is the bomb. And we just have some, veggies on the side, some broccoli and avocado. Avocado has been, drizzled or sprinkled with our favorite, which is tahine. So Yardie Belly TV, yeah, bringing to you a simple but amazing dish for this evening. Yeah, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and stay tuned for many more videos to come. Hit the notification bell because you do not want to miss it. To miss it is to what? Diss it.